In today's video, I want to show you how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 48 hours. Yes, in just 2 days. This works like magic. So if all you want right now is to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, stick around because I have something juicy for you. This strategy I'm about to share with you right now will blow your mind. This YouTube channel used it to move from 1,300 subscribers to 214,000 subscribers in 24 hours. You can see that, right? This channel had 1,300 subscribers before he applied this strategy, and in 24 hours, the channel moved from 1,300 subscribers to 214,000 subscribers. Right now, this channel is sitting at 1.6 million subscribers. This is all you need right now as a small channel to blow up, both getting subscribers, getting watch hours, and even getting consistent views on your videos. There are only 3 steps required to get this done for you as a small channel, and I'm going to break them down step by step. I will tell you the strategy. I will show you exactly how to achieve it, and not only that, along the way, I will be dropping some powerful tips that will not only help you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but we make sure that these people who are coming to subscribe to your channel and watch your videos stick around. Like every time you upload videos, these guys are here watching your videos, because that's the most important part of being a YouTuber. So the kind of audience we are about to drive to your channel will blow your mind, because these guys are people that spend 5 to 10 hours on a daily basis watching video. They spend hours and hours of their day on social media, and this is the kind of audience you want. People that can actually spend an hour or so on a daily basis watching your video, which means every time you drop a new video, you have thousands of people already waiting to watch your video. This is mind-blowing. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka, and on this channel I teach you how to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. In today's video, it's all about how to use simple strategy to get your first 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and get thousands of people who will watch your video every time you upload video on YouTube. This strategy is TikTok strategy, using TikTok to blow up your YouTube channel. And here is something very amazing about this strategy. When you grow your YouTube channel with this strategy, not only will you get thousands of subscribers, you will get watch hours. And the kind of audience that you're driving to your channel is the kind of people that spend hours, countless hours of their day watching videos. So if you look at this, you will see that this YouTube channel got 2 YouTube play buttons at the same time. Got a 100,000 subscriber play button and 1 million subscriber play button at the same time. And that's because of this strategy. So the first step is, before you apply this strategy, here are 3 things I need you to do to make sure that when you apply the strategy on your channel, not only will you get 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours, but you are sure to hook in this audience, convert them to people who love your content. First, your content should appeal to Gen Z. The audience we are about to drive to your channel is actually Gen Z. So you need to make the kind of content that this kind of audience finds very attractive. Content such as relationship, food, celebrity gossip, everyday life. So the next is to post 1 to 3 short videos daily on your channel. This is the kind of content they love to consume, and when they see a lot of it every time they show up on your channel, you are sure to lock them all in. Third one is to get a free offer to lock them in. I'm going to share more details on this later, so stick with me. So once you get this sorted out, we are done with step 1. We'll move on to step 2 of the 3 steps. So the second step is to find the right kind of influencer. In a moment, I'm going to show you the exact influencer this channel used to blow up the channel from 1,300 subscribers to 214,000 subscribers in 24 hours. If your goal is to grow your channel and make money non-stop, I'll advise you go for influencers that aligned with the kind of content you create. This way, every traffic this TikTok app drives to your channel is something that is going to last for a very long time for you, because it is just the kind of audience you need. How do you find them? There are 2 ways to do this. The first one is to go to TikTok search bar and find the kind of TikToker that you would love to work with. Let me show you how to do that. So if you look at this, All you need is just open TikTok. So go to TikTok search bar and touch this. Once it opens, go on and type an important keyword. Say for example, you're looking for a TikToker that is into cooking. Just come over here and type cooking, and then you open it. It's going to show you all of this. Now I need you to filter it so we get the right kind of person for your channel. And you just need to come over here and touch this user. So once it opens, everyone you see here is someone that creates content on food related content. So this is what I want you to do. I need you to look at their names as well as the number of followers they have. So this is a perfect way to filter out what you don't want from what you want. We are looking for micro and nano influencers. Okay, so you're going to look for those people that have followers between 30,000 to 300,000. Okay, just look for them. The moment you find the one you want, just click on it and it's going to open. Okay, as you can see here, this is one of the TikTokers on that does food content. At this stage, I want you to look at the engagement. You need to be sure that this person is getting enough views on his or her videos, because this is a proof that this person has audience. So when the person talks about you, promotes you, you are definitely going to get hundreds and thousands of subscribers move from TikTok to your YouTube channel. Guys, this is everything. So once you pick the TikToker you want to work with, the next thing you want to do is to reach out to this person. I know you're saying, how do I reach out? If you look at this, you can see most of them have their contact details. Some of them have their email address. Some of them have their phone number. Some of them have their website. So go on and get the contact details and reach out to this person. This brings us to the third step. How do you close the deal? So let's talk about closing the deal. So there are two ways you can go about this. The first one is to pay for it and then get this done for you. So I asked ChatGPT, how much do nano influencers and micro influencers charge for a service like this? Look at the result it gave me. Can you see that? Between $20 to $100, 10,000 to 50,000 if you're in Nigeria. That's actually what it costs to get this done. Now, you know you can always negotiate and beat it down. Now, what if you don't have money? You really need this done for you and you don't have money. Well, I want to show you exactly how to do it. Just so you know, this channel that grew from 1,300 to 214,000 in few hours did it absolutely free. I'm going to show you the person that did it for the channel. Okay, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you that. So this brings us to a way you can do it for free. Free method. This is to offer your product or service to the TikToker, to the influencer. Say for example, you are a video editor or a graphic designer. This influencer needs your service. I mean, he needs what you offer and he has what you need. This is demand meets supply. So what you can do would be to offer to edit his or her video for maybe 2 weeks or 1 month while he does this for you. If you're a graphic designer, they need thumbnails, they need graphics. So you offer to design graphics for a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, depending on the agreement between the two of you. Once it's sorted out, the person goes on to give you the massive traffic you need. And the second way you can do this is to propose collaboration. These influencers want also people that will also promote them on different platforms they are not very active on, or they are not already getting traffic from. So if you package yourself as someone that has a lot to offer, you're able to deliver so well. The influencer sees you as an influencer too. So it's more like collaboration. You help me, I help you. And this way, it's a win-win game. Now, this works like magic. This channel you see here paid absolutely nothing. So a TikTok influencer saw his videos, fell in love with it, went on TikTok and talked about him, put up a couple of his videos together and uploaded it on his TikTok account. Overnight, everybody started coming over here, subscribing, supporting. So this strategy will work for you as a small channel if you package it very well. It's going to actually help you get your first 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and have a channel that gets thousands of views every time you upload video. Reason being that the audience you are about to get to subscribe to your channel is exactly the kind of people that spend 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours on a daily basis consuming content on social media. So the very moment you package what you do in a way they like it, an influencer that they already like talks about you, you are made. If you've not subscribed, please go on and subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will appreciate that. See you in my next video.